Hurricane Melissa's impact on southwestern Jamaica, with winds exceeding 260 kilometers per hour, has severely tested the nation. In these critical weeks, the effectiveness of the disaster response hinges on one word: coordination. This commitment is the foundation of the United Nations system in Jamaica and across the globe. We stand together, act as one, and ensure that unity is our greatest strength when disaster strikes. By aligning every agency within its mandate, we strive to make the recovery process faster, smoother, and more resilient for every affected person.
Melissa brought devastation to a large portion of Jamaica, and because of that, the initial response should be immediate. And our focus was really coordinating the efforts to supply those key important needs for that population in the immediate hours after the hurricane.
So right now, as we are transitioning from in-kind assistance, which is critical during this period where there are no real functioning markets in some of the most affected areas, into cash over the coming weeks, we're also keeping in mind that in the months to come, we need to work on ways to support the recovery effort and transition from the emergency phase into recovery, particularly in those parts of the country that are essential for food production in Jamaica.
We are here in Westmoreland, taking a look of the water treatment plan that we have thanks to our alliance with Water Mission. We are providing WASH to several communities, and as coordinator of the WASH working group, it's really a pleasure to see that working together serve the communities.
We've already deployed emergency medical teams where they are most urgently needed. We've already started the urgent emergency repairs to the range of primary health care centers and hospitals. In addition, we are already procuring goods to reset up the necessary goods in these primary health care centers so that we have urgent care being able to respond, but primary health care also being able to respond.
IOM has received funding from SURF, and this would be used in terms of providing non-food items to affected population and to identify shelters in some of the parishes. But we are committed to the long haul. We are committed, we are here, and we stand ready to continue our support to the persons of Jamaica.
UNDP stands in solidarity with the government and people of Jamaica following the tragedy of Hurricane Melissa. In response, UNDP is initiating a resilient recovery program. The initiative will also bring tangible impacts, immediate impacts at the community level, clearing debris, bringing solar systems, and enhancing SMEs and livelihoods so people can get back on their feet.
For UNESCO, the immediate priority was to support the government of Jamaica in ensuring the continuity of education. This means, for instance, that we helped and supported the reprinting of textbooks that had been damaged. We also helped 100 students at the Sam Sharp Teachers College to provide them with financial assistance in continuing their education.
We have been recruiting and mobilizing volunteers to support this emergency response. For example, we have deployed a specialist volunteer within the RCO to help coordinate. We have also deployed volunteers to be stationed in various areas in St. Elizabeth, in Montego Bay, to help support all that is going on with various agencies in the field.
We've supported with life-saving drugs, life-saving medications, and also ensuring that people are able to connect with their families and to continue to have access to antiretroviral drugs, continue with their medication, since if you break your treatment, there is a risk of drug resistance. And so we are encouraging all persons who have been impacted by this storm to have a continuity of care.
UN Women continues to work to ensure that women's needs and priorities are central to the Hurricane Melissa response and recovery efforts. We are working to strengthen women-led organizations and local women leaders to participate in decision-making processes and mechanisms. UN Women, in fulfillment of its mandate, is working to make sure that women and girls are at the center of and meaningfully participating in the relief and recovery efforts to Hurricane Melissa.
As UNFPA, we are fully committed to work with the government of Jamaica, together with our partners, together with the UN system, to restore essential services, the essential health services, including sexual reproductive health and rights, to the people of Jamaica, and especially those that have been impacted by Hurricane Melissa.
These efforts will be crucial to build back better with stronger infrastructure, more robust early warning systems, and risk-informed public investment.
The UN system in Jamaica stands unwavering, ensuring every agency works in alignment to make recovery faster, smoother, and more resilient.
One UN, one love.